Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the monthly dollar Canadian, I think we already have a complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. I think we already have an end of a trend. We definitely have taken out structure. I do believe, especially looking at the dollar index, that this is most likely going down, probably going to go all the way down and take out the low of wave E. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this first push down is a 1. I think this move up is an ABC like a 2. And I think this is just going to keep on going down for a wave 3, making those lower lows, lower highs, making a nice downtrend. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think it's very clear this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. A, B, C, most likely a 2. I think this big push down right here is part of a wave 3, like a 1 of 3. We definitely made 3 waves up to the 50% level. I think we already have a 2 of 3. And I think there's a very good likelihood this is just going to keep on going down for a wave 3 of wave 3. So I am definitely looking for sorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we have a nice impulsive move up, wave A. We have a corrective move down, A, B, C, or B. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C. Price ran right to the 50% Fibonacci retracement. Nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside with a break of structure. Told me the correction was over, and most likely it is going to continue to make those lower lows, lower highs. I think we have a 1, a 2, and a wave 3 right here. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is where you can see the break of structure to the downside that told me that the wave C really was over. That was a really nice trade to the downside. This move up right here, I was originally thinking was going to be only a wave A and that this was actually going to go up again to make it B and a C before it ended up continuing the downtrend like a 1, 2, and 3. Now, I do suspect that is the most likely thing to happen, but we do have to realize that sometimes what we think is a wave B will actually be the continuation of the downtrend. So I do think there's a very good chance that this also could just keep on trending down, especially if we're in a big wave 3 on the longer time frames, because a wave 3 is supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So there is a chance this could just keep on trending down. According to my patterns in Elliott Wave, I think the most likely thing to happen is it's going to make an ABC before it continues down, but we do have to be aware that we may be in a wave 3 that may just keep on trending down without going back up and making that proper ABC correction. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.